Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this cream blush from the brand Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Silk Tone Cream Blush that I got in the shade Warm Peach in my September 2022 Boxy Luxe box. And I love peach toned blushes, I love trying out blushes, and this one sounds great. I've heard great things about it. It retails for $22. And by the way, if you haven't seen my Boxy Luxe unboxing yet, I was pretty happy with that box. So make sure you check that out. That video is up here on my YouTube channel. Let's get into this. I love the packaging. It has a big mirror, a big pan size, and let's start out with a swatch. Ooh, that seems to have some nice pigment to it. Yeah, I mean, very true to color of the packaging, how it looks in the pan here. I'm hoping it'll look good on me. It's looking very orange, but I love like a bronzy blush to warm up my skin tone. It blends out very nicely, very hydrating in the feel of it, and as I blend it out, it definitely like diffused in color. It's not as intense, so seems pretty easy to work with. Wait, I'm getting a burning feeling on my hand where I applied this. Would it be a bad idea for me to continue on and put it on my cheeks? Probably. Maybe I'll do another. I'm just gonna pick up a little more and do like a little test on my wrist here. I feel like I'm gonna like psych myself out mentally that this is like tingling on my skin. It definitely is giving a burning feeling on my hand though. I'm a little concerned, but I'm not having like the burning feeling on my wrist. You guys are probably like, Christy, do not put that on your face, but I'm doing this video. I want to see how this looks on my cheeks, so I'm gonna go for it, and I can always just remove it right away, right? Yes. And when it comes to cream blushes, I like to just apply with my finger. So I'm gonna start out with that technique, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, as I'm blending it out, it's definitely shearing out, which is not a bad thing because I tend to always use way too much blush, but it is buildable, so that's good. Ooh, I actually am really liking this shade on my face. I have redness in my cheeks already, so I feel like that's kind of mixing in with this, but it does look like a very nice sun-kissed flush of color. It doesn't look too orange. That is actually very pretty. This is very different than the other blushes that I have in my collection, but I really like how this looks. I'm obsessed with this color, but also just the texture on the skin. It's undetectable, very skin-like. It doesn't make the skin more matte or more glowy. It's just a very natural finish, which I really like. I feel like I just want to do the tiniest little bit more on the apple of the cheek. But wow, it's super easy to apply, super blendable. Oh my gosh, I'm very happy with how this looks. Very pleasantly surprised because I wasn't so sure. By the way, an update on my hand. I mean, it's not really burning anymore and there's no like reaction on my hand, so I think I'm fine. And when it looks this nice, I don't want to not wear it and not apply it. And it is super quick and easy to apply with my finger. And you've got the mirror right here, so it's perfect on the go type of product. I feel like it takes just two kind of like swipes of my finger 2 layers to get the perfect amount of sun-kissed flush. But I really like, it's almost like a matte finish, yet creamy. Like, I love how it looks on the skin, how it's sitting on my makeup. Wow, that just really beautifully transformed my complexion. Oh my gosh, this is like my perfect shade of blush. I've been actually needing to switch out my daily blush, and I think this is going to become my daily blush right now. I love this. And it says you can use it on the lips, and I love when the cheek coordinates with the lip color. So let's see how that looks as well. I do have pretty chapped lips, and I have, in my past experiences, had like cream blushes really cling to the dry patches, and so I haven't really been able to use cream blushes on my lips, but let's see how this one is. Yeah. It is definitely clinging. And yeah, I definitely prefer the shade on my cheeks than my lips. It's kind of washing my lips out as well, this shade. And we're just way too emphasizing the chapped texture in my lips. That looks way too dry, but I mean, it actually is kind of a pretty peach shade on the lips, but love it on my cheeks. Oh my gosh, so happy with this. I feel like this lives up to the hype, and I just feel like this is a very universally flattering shade that I am so obsessed with. If you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it, and let me know if you've tried out this warm peach shade and if it looks good on your skin tone. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.